So, good morning. Today's ride is going to be testing out this new camera that I've bought. It's a DJI Osmo Nano. It actually comes into two separate sections. If I can separate it with one hand. So this is the camera part. As you can see, it's tiny, and then this is the, I think they call it a multifunctional vision dock, but it's actually just a screen that clips on, and you can view the angle of the camera and set up your shot using this. But this is actually the camera section, so let's go and give it a try. So it's taken about 10 times as long to get ready today because it's absolutely freezing, and now we're running late, so better go and meet Si. Morning. Yeah. Sorry, mate. So the camera itself is fitted on the magnetic lanyard around your neck. So for shots like this, you just unclip it and hold the camera like you would with your phone. And that's why I dropped it. But the rest of the time when it's on your jersey, it's just facing forward and slightly down. And I think the angle's pretty good. It's pretty hard to adjust it.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So this is a great little coffee shop. It's the Forge in Evenly, set on a beautiful little village green. Amazing cakes, friendly staff and good coffee. So grabbed a cheeky little flat white and a flapjack. Nice. So this place is about 20 miles sort of north-west of Milton Keynes. So when the wind's coming from the north, as it was today, it's quite so bloody cold. We head this way and it's a fab little stop, and now get a nice tailwind home. So back from the ride, first time testing the DJI Mini. Good test because I actually dropped it about 30k an hour, and as you can see, there's only a few little scuffs on the case, and that's definitely protected. The camera seems to be working fine. Got to edit the footage now, but definitely have the case on. And the biggest issue is it's really hard to grip with gloves. So riding with these spats, they're great gloves, but the protective sort of over mitts that go over the fingers, the material they're made of is super slippy. So yeah, I just fumbled it and dropped it while we were filming. So that was a good lesson, but the camera seems to work fine, and I think it's going to have a few knocks. Get used to that. So did a 60k loop, went to a super nice coffee shop in Evenley, which I'll show you. And it was super cold today. Like, it was frosty on the cars this morning. But once we got riding, to be fair, with winter gear on, it was fine, but certainly a lot colder than it's been in Calpe. So, speak to you soon.